So since it didn't test fit, didn't work, we're gonna take the rails off of this one, which it has a screwdriver, a Phillips right here, and then
Has this
the little
ring,
the thing to lift up the seat. Just has this little clip on it. Just take off that clip,
this one same.
the wheel will come off.
Same thing with this one.
Same thing with this one. This one has a clip.
It just clips
On
off.
and that's it. From there, it looks like we're gonna unbolt it from wherever it is. So from here, and here, and take off this rail, and then we'll figure out how do we do the other one. So stay tuned. So on this side is the same thing. You got Phillips right here, another one over here, and two over here, size 12. I figured out that you also have one here, but you have to get it from the other side, and that's actually also a 12. You have to do it, but you have to get it with the wrench, and you have to take off this plastic, and that one also has a little Phillips screw somewhere around there. And yeah, so I'm gonna take off this rails. Hopefully I can put it on the other seats, and hopefully it matches up. If not, I have to do some modification. So I'm gonna try to finish this seat up, see if it works. I'm gonna take off the cushions off this shit and put it on this rail. Hopefully I'm able to put it on there. If not, I'm gonna do some custom work and actually drill some holes on it and see, or a custom rail, see how I do it. We'll see right now. I'm gonna take this seat apart. It should be fairly easy, just Phillips and probably size 12, 14 maybe. We'll see right now. So on the seats, this one is just a clip right here, and then a clip right there, and it has no screw on this one. And to take off this, you have to take out this one first. Basically it slides in, and then this is just the one you have to just pull on it, the screwdriver, and it slides off. On the other side, it does have a Phillips right there, and then same thing, there's a little clip right there that bolts on. Just pull it out and it should come off. It has two bolts right here, and what I'm seeing down here, it has two other bolts right here too. So this one's a little different as far as the bottom seat. I'm hoping the top seat is the same. So they're both right here. Same thing over here, they're both right here. So hopefully they lined up. I know the bottom ones are not gonna line up, because on this one it's on the side. See one right here, and then you see another one right here. So I'm gonna see how I'm gonna do it with the bottom. See how it goes. Okay, the bottom seats are different. The top seats, they look like they're gonna line up. The only problem it is that this bolt is too big for it. It's too big. So I'm just gonna make them a little bigger. Hopefully that works. On this, I'm gonna take off the cover off of this one and this one, and just swap this one to here, and then make the holes right there so it could drill, so the nut could go in there. Not this one, but the other one right here, and then the one over here. So that's So what I'm gonna do, hopefully it works, it lines up. We'll see right now. I think I'm gonna be able to make it work. Just is gonna look a little loose, so I just gotta tighten it up, drill some holes on it, make it bigger, put that seat on there, and I think it is gonna work. I'm gonna call it a day tonight. I'm gonna finish it up tomorrow and test fit it tomorrow, see how it is. So my battery died. I'm charging it right now. So I was able to drill 2 holes on it. So I made the screws go in. Just gotta make those 2 bigger. Slap on that in here, and hopefully that aligns over here. Hoping for the best. We'll see. I do gotta finish this one up because I'm gonna be driving that tomorrow. So I at least need to get the passenger seat on, or the driver's seat, that way I could drive it. I don't care about the passenger. So I'm gonna take a little break while that charges. So seat is on. It's a little off a little bit as far as this, but overall I made it fit. So I just gotta slap it on the car and call it a day. I'll do the other one tomorrow. Reason being is because my girl's birthday tomorrow, so see what I do for her right now. But yeah, it's done. Just had to make the holes a little bigger, use a different mount, and that's it. Alright, just gonna slap it on right now and see how it looks. Now to do seat number 2, taking this one apart. The rails already. I made the holes bigger. See them bigger. Same here. Now I gotta take this one apart, put the cushions over there, and slap it on the car. Seat is done. Gotta slap it on here and call it a night. I'll take a video tomorrow in the day so you can see how it looks. So this is how they look inside the car. They don't look that bad. So I'm out. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, suggestions, and I'll catch you guys later.
Beep.